Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
How are you for breakfast?
Breakfast not ready yet.
My girl at 9:25 a man now, then on the breakfast in yet.
9:30 breakfast ready. Next 5 minutes.
Me I go come back. Me soon come back. Me I go park the car.
Alright.
So enough now.
You know, so the breakfast done at almost lunchtime now.
My girl, me go park my car for 5 minutes and blood clot breakfast done already. I won't deal with you. I give you the food, girl. I will hire you. You know, say them for blood clot fire you. On the big face blood clot, girl, man. And the big little crannies looking boy over there, so we must start. I want a poke your store in a pot, boy. Listen, me, man. Me no want lunch. The general want hockey and saltfish.
But breakfast done.
Bullet!
That I'm sick, you know. Drink some tea, man. I get that big ass. Try to taste in a sense, you know. I just say, so I tell you to stop jump fence, you know. Or you better make sure.
I met him and he buy me a patty and a cocoa bread. He buy me a cheese patty and 2 cocoa bread. Why you take my man? Cause him say you never comfortable. Where she a go?
Come on, Johnny, in the class. No, I can't answer none. You just nonsense.
Sorry, man, good job. Sorry, the boy Travis not answer yet, you know.
Travis.
Watch him, the man dance.
Oh.
Peter, I'm tired. Take your things. Peter, you better leave. Yo, where are you, man? Peter, you better leave this house. No, Peter, you better leave this house. Peter, who are you talking to? Yo, who is this? Peter, I'm tired. Where you come pick up the things? You know, I always ask myself, why this guy not they propose? Now I where come take up my things for? Where you today you leave my house? Peter, why they run around the streets with all these girls? Eh? What girls? What girls you sending me with? Stop it. You know some no, just stop going to no man. You know some me not talk to nobody else but you. You know me not talk to nobody else but you. See how stupid it can be. African girls. He's cheating on you. You know he's cheating. But you still come back and you let him sweet talk you. And then you stay. Then he cheats again. Then what happens next? You come with a knife this time. Peter, I swear I'm going to kill you.
Hey, my man's coming. Hey, what's up, baby boy? Yo, not today, no. Not today, no, brother. Easy for the baby boy. Are you serious right now? Why you that? Yeah, if I said, sit that ass. Just say, shut up. My man's calling me right now, bro. Yeah, man, I call you. What's up, baby boy? Come on. Oh, shit, you trying to push that shit in? It's not going in. Yo, how big is that shit? 9 inches? Oh, that shit's bigger than mine. My shit just went right through, you remember? We just pushed that shit in and it went right through. Then, here what you do, man. Use some double D40, man. Grease that shit up and push that shit in. And push it in and make it wet, bro. You gotta massage it, bro. Yeah, and then just force it. Like, push everything in. No, yo, you got what, brother? I'm trying to lure argument at my youth. Bro, my nigga put in his microwave. Microwave, if you got alkaline, bro. What the? Chill. Chill for what? Chill for what? You're outside on the shop. You're not in Jamaica no more. I live in Jamaica, Queens, bro. You can't be this technical, bro. I can't team now, I'm gonna go. KT, now cut it. Where are you going? Now I'm gonna make chop report. I can't take this anymore. I can't take it anymore.
Good evening, Grandpa. Pussy. Grandpa, what you just say a while ago? Pussy. Grandpa, you just call me a pussy? Merl, you don't hear the boy a cuss dirty bad word in your house.
Him do what?
Me tell you to get rid of that boy, you know.
Him blood's not what's not out of your house.
Mama and father don't send no money up here for him.
Waste that space.
Remember that.
Hello?
Thank you for calling Hot Talk. How may I help you?
Yeah, I want to order a bumbo clot. What your name there? A chow mein and a beef lo mein.
You're Jamaican, right? You're Jamaican.
Yeah, why?
I'm sorry, you have wrong number. We don't sell jerk chicken.
Yo, pussy, let me tell you something jerk chicken.
But you love jerk chicken. Come on. I listen to your music. I know you. You're Anchor Vine. I listen to your song Extra Lesson. So I want to go ahead and transfer you to a Caribbean restaurant. Actually, I have perfect music for you. Okay, give me one moment. What on? Yes, I have perfect hold music for you. I go ahead and transfer you. Give me one moment, please. Hold.
Yes, to a place we've never been before. Baby, still I'm waiting, knocking at your door. I just wanna be the one loving you.
Oh, Joshua, I got some auntie from foreign bring down one heap of money for me. And you broke like glass. So, $1 can only buy one patty and one car. For $100 can buy the whole of Jamaica. What? You feel my hero. Joshua, know how much money this man have? How much money man have, Joshua? $20.
I know which year this way now, Joshua.
2017.
So you know who have enough money for buy the entire year, Joshua, and kick your tithe 17 times.
You're sick.
Yo, me not lie, some man need for load of makeup. When I put on too much makeup, when makeup I got, me not understand. Some man I walk through the party, I look like Duppy. Some girl I walk past me, I say, Jesus Christ, I want she pass away. Me blood like shorty. Yo, me don't know, when I try to cover up, when I walk in Photoshop, I need for load the shop. Load the shop. Remember my ex-girlfriend, my youth, used to put on a bag of makeup. Every time I kiss her, I say, yo, babes, I'm going, yeah, you don't know, say, boom, boom, they turn up last night, and I'm not lying, you know. Yeah, I true thing, you know, man, that me, I say, this not for your bumbo clock happen. Man, I kiss a girl and come up look like the Joker. Why? After this, I'm afraid to kiss her. Anytime she want to kiss me, email that to her, that me I start do. When I don't want to hug people and fuck up them clothes and them something there, every time I hug a girl, here, girl, wow, man, you good? Yeah, man, I'll be a thing. I'll be a this. Then I start texting a hug and kiss on them something. I'm afraid on the bumbo clot. Jesus Christ. I fuck up my clothes because you're insecure. You'll be a blood clot.
Next in line, please.
Donna? Carrie. Oh, God, girl.
Midday, you know? Yeah, me just come get some soap. And my clothes them well dirty.
Yes, girl.
Cash me through, cash me through.
All right, and how will you be paying?
I will be paying with credit card. Yes, girl. We get your credit card.
Let me know too.
Swipe me through.
Yeah, man. All right. Excuse me, your credit card is decline.
My girl, when I can't go on so all the people in more China when make this soap can't hear you. But I mean, used to babysit you when your mother gone around at night time gone sell our crutches. They can't expose on them, so don't you need to calm down.
So we are going so far. The card now go through. What you want me to do?
Excitement. We used to all come your head with tough like iron board. Alone go through 27 come for the month. We can't expose. As a matter of fact, I fight you want to fight? Hey, girl, and me a train Chris Brown for fight Soldier Boy next. Hey,
me not even want to fight you.
Just swipe the friggin' thing and go through my chat about.
Security, come get this woman out of the store, please.
Leg off on me. Leg off.
Always hurting me. I'm always giving my heart to him, and he's always like,
you see,
throwing it away. Like I don't get it.
Just to guide him, you know. Hey, you now find the right person. You see me? Because you're more for focus on a man with hype and them thing. There, no offense, you know. I'm just saying.
A few moments later,
I'm here for you, and for when it comes down to love, I truly love you.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Tavi, that's like the sweetest thing anyone has ever said to me. I honestly think we should be more than friends.
More than friends?
Yeah, more than friends. Yeah.
I really like you want to do this?
Yes, I'm really serious about this. I want you to be my best friend, Tavi. I want you to be my best friend. Like, you're such a great friend. Like, I don't no one has ever been so nice. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna call my ex-best friend.
Use the word. Sir, you can't change your shirt. Make you not change your brain. Use the word, me sir, use the word legacy in a sentence. Me sir, who can do it? Me sir, who can do it? Sir, one. So sir, me and my brother, we did a play fight, and he threw one stone after me, he give me a lick.
Family legacy.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Faster than the speed limit in a school zone, you can get pulled over for that. Yeah, if you're
Your conscience speaking.